Pooja ma'am is an assistant professor at HR College of Commerce and Economics since last 6 years. She is also BMS coordinator at HR College. She is a self-taught artist. Mandala art form is a therapeutic and meditative art form. She also wrote several research papers, one of which is accepted for publication in IIM. She has taken more than 15 art workshops in lockdown and trained around 200 artists. She also conducts regular workshops for Madcap Workshop and Scholars Stores. Now, I would hand over the session to Pooja ma'am to continue with her today's proceeding of the webinar.
Can everyone hear me? Am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Hi everyone, good evening. First of all, when it comes to Mandala, I think few people are my old students, so they already know what it is. There are few from the institute. So first of all, thank you so much, Priyanshu ma'am and the institute for inviting me. Secondly, when it comes to Mandala, it is nothing but the circle of the universe. Okay, so mandala actually is supposed to be really therapeutic, especially the ones who have already joined before will agree that it really gets you engrossed in the entire process and you do not want to think about anything else. There is no other thought that comes to your mind when you are actually doing a mandala. What I'm going to do with you all today, okay, and I hope everyone is joining simultaneously alongside so that you realize, because in the process I'll go on telling you also how therapeutic and calming it is. So I hope everyone does it with me. The ones who are not doing it can look at the process and at least understand how it is to be done. So the one which I am going to do with you all is actually this. So it is 3D. If you go to see, it gives a 3D look. Okay, so this is the one which we are going to do. That's the reason why I have put on the group that those will be the materials that you will require. Okay, I will give you all exact measurements. I will give you all exact guidelines as to how do you go about it. In the entire process, you should realize that you do not have time for any other thoughts. You do not have time for anything else. Okay, the only thing that you want to do is this. Okay, it becomes so addicting after a point that you want to keep drawing. Okay, this is how it's supposed to be. Now, obviously, it can have different effects on anyone, but it is definitely positive. So yeah, I will get to this. We will take 1 hour for today's session. Yeah, just a minute. I hope everyone has a white sheet of paper with them. It can be any white sheet of paper. It can be a printing paper. Does not matter, because when I started doing mandalas, now being recorded. Okay. When I started doing mandalas, I did not have those art sheets. Okay, I used to do it on printing paper. Okay, so you all will be able to see my screen. I will give you all exact guidelines and I will also go on explaining to you all as to why it is therapeutic. Okay, so everyone, first of all, I want you all to keep a white sheet of paper. Just a minute. Yeah, can everyone see the other screen? Just a minute. Okay, good. Can everyone see the other screen of mine? So the other Pooja Lalwani screen. So pin that on your screens and not the one in which you can see my face. So I would suggest everyone pin this screen. Okay, so if you all can see, this is a 3D mandala. Okay, I want everyone to draw alongside and understand how it eventually calms your mind. Okay, and at the end, you can just give me your feedback as to how you felt. I would suggest everyone stay on mute till I finish certain details so that you do not go on talking. If you have any doubts, please put it in the chat box rather than asking me right now. Then I will answer those doubts. Okay, whatever in the chat box. After I finish a particular part, like once we're done with this circle, I will ask everyone if you're going to unmute yourselves and ask something, and then eventually we'll do the next round. Okay. Everyone just keep your compass and your white sheet of paper handy with you, and a ruler. These are three things, and obviously a pencil in your compass. So everyone just keep this much handy. Okay, so I've just put my pencil in my compass. Priyanshu ma'am, I think there is Deepika Sapra who is trying to join. If you could just add her. Deepika, are you here?
Hi, I joined. Yes, I'm in.
Okay.
Which one to pick the video?
Pin the one in which you can see the design, not my face. Okay. Everyone, I hope you all have put your pencil in your compass. Okay, now remember one thing, like I said, mandala is about circles because there are many people who are doing this for the first time. Okay, find the center of your page. Everyone just find the center of your page. You all know how to get the center of your page, right? Divide your page horizontally and vertically into equal halves to get the center. I'll just place the light in such a way that you all can all see.
Ma'am, can't find your screen. Please help.
Can't find my screen? Just search Pooja Lalwani. There will be two. In one, you will be able to see the page, and in the other, you will be able to see my face. So avoid my face and yeah. Did you all find me? Did everyone pin me?
Okay. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Now, welcome. Okay, everyone, once you've got the center, if you can see, this is the center of my page. For the ones who are doing this for the first time, how do you get the center of your page? You divide your page vertically and horizontally into equal halves, and that's how you will get your center. Okay, so this is the center of my page. Okay, measure 5.5 centimeters on your compass. 5.5 centimeters. That is this center. This part is 5.5 centimeters. So measure this on your compass. Measure 5.5 centimeters on your compass. Okay, and draw a circle. Someone started presenting their screen. Naitik Rathod, you're presenting your screen. Okay, thank you.
Pooja, can you repeat, please?
Just find the center of your page. Just find the center of your page and draw a 5.5 centimeter circle. As you can see, I'm just drawing a 5.5 centimeter circle.
I am doing it on a before size sheet.
You're doing A4 or A3 does not matter. The size of my mandala is the same. You use A4 or you use A3. Okay, everyone, the size of the mandala is the same. The size is not going to change. Okay, the only reason why I said do it on a big sheet of paper to certain people because it looks good. Okay, so you do it on an A4, you do it. I have done it on an A4 only. This is an A4 sheet. Okay, once you find the center of your page, draw a 5.5 centimeter circle. After your 5.5 centimeter, draw a 6, 6.5 and 7 centimeter circle.
Ma'am, we have to draw 6, 6.5 and 7.
Yes, I'm going on putting it in the chat.
15, 17, 18, 19, 20.
हाँ क्या पढ़ा when
Can everyone mute themselves? Measurements in the chat. So everyone go to your chat, take those measurements and draw these circles. If possible, do it alongside so that you understand how it leads to.
Pooja, your voice is not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yeah. Now
Is everyone facing that issue? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I've put all the measurements in the chat. Everyone just follow the chat and draw your circles. I'm just drawing the circles. You always wonder why I'm not measuring. It's just that I know the rough measurement. That's why I'm not measuring.
Pooja, this is from
What?
these all circles are from the center only, right?
Yes, all circles are from the center. All are from the center. Very good, Bhavika. Okay, I can see a lot of people doing it.
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
I've put all the measurements in the chat. That's the reason why I put it in the chat. So all the measurements of the circles are in the chat. Everyone just follow those measurements and just draw your circles. Then we can start off with the designing. Okay, so this is how my circles look like. Okay, now we'll first do the main center and then we'll do the rest of it. Also over here, your the ones who have done mandalas before, your 10-degree lines are not important over here. You want to do it, you can. You don't want to do it, you don't. Because the petals are very small. So the petals are so small that you automatically get uniformity. Yes, I will resend the measurement. Okay, I've resent the measurement.
So, Pooja, the grids are not necessary, you're saying?
Grids are not necessary. You want to do it, you can, but don't do it in the center 5.5.
Okay.
In the rest of it, you do the grids.
Okay.
The ones who have done mandalas before, you can do the grids in the rest of the circles, but don't do the grids in the center 5.5 centimeters. We don't want it over there. Yeah, I'm going on. I'll show the entire process, don't worry. As of now, we've just drawn the circles. We've not done anything but just drawn circles. Anyone wants me to explain how to do the circles?
Madam, please give the measurements, no?
Dr. Reddy, what are you trying to say?
Yeah, ma'am, here different types of participants are there, maybe educated or housewives and others. Whatever you are
Right.
doing, it is good for higher education level because of
Right.
measurement, all these things. If you have any other assistants, it is better to log in through that, and if you show the screen, whatever you are doing, it is very useful for the participants.
I'm showing the screen. Can everyone see my face?
No. It is, you are only visible. You are the only visible.
Okay, 1 minute. There is Pooja Lalwani with 2 names. Okay, 1 minute. I will just stop my original screen.
You are not sharing the screen.
Okay, now can you all see my screen?
Yes, we can
Now
see.
it is visible.
Yeah, so actually, I was logged in from 2 devices.
Thank you,
So
thank you.
one device had my photo and the other device had this. So I've just logged out from there. Okay, now everyone can see my page. So basically, you find the center of your page. After you find the center of your page, you just draw a 5.5 centimeter circle. Everyone can see that much. Just that much. Nothing else, just that much. Okay, the rest of it I'll explain once we are alongside, when we are on the way. Okay, everyone, place your compass at the center of your page and draw a 5.5 centimeter circle.
Pooja ma'am, sorry to interfere. It is better to pin your screen. Otherwise, other participants are sharing their screen. It is better to pin your screen.
Actually, even
Pin your
if I
screen.
pin my screen, everyone will have to pin my screen. So even if I pin the screen, you all will not be able to see it. So everyone just click on my name and click on pin. So it will get pinned on your screen. Did everyone do that? Has everyone pinned my video? Okay, I hope everyone has.
Yes, we did.
Okay, perfect. Okay, once you get the center of your page, everyone please understand how this is done. It's a very unique form what we are doing. Okay, take a ruler. Okay, just take a ruler and draw a slanting line crossing the center. Just a slanting line. Okay, I'm just drawing a slanting line using a pencil. It just has to be slant. Crossing the center. Can you all see what I've done?
Pooja, your screen is not clear.
Now,
No. Still more clearly.
okay, actually the problem with Genie is that the screen does become slightly hazy.
Pooja, we are supposed to take from middle, right? We have to touch the middle. It has to be
Yes,
adjacent.
you just have to touch the middle and you have to draw a line. That's it. It can be any degree. It can be anything. It
Any
just has to be a
direction,
slanting
anywhere.
line. Any angle. Doesn't matter. So just crossing the center to draw a line. That's it. Nothing else.
I am
Within
getting
5.5
confused when you say slanting. I am getting confused that it has to be straight, right? Because
No,
in
it is-
circle, from wherever you are going to draw a straight line, it is going to be slant.
So what I'm trying to say is this is your page. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's why I said slanting, because it's like this. That's what I mean.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. Okay.
Yeah. So it's not horizontal or vertical. It will be roughly at 40
Yeah.
degree.
When you're looking at your front side, it should look slant, right?
Yes, right. Okay. Now once you all have done that, okay, everyone clear with that. Now our main focus is our center. Okay. Rest mandala, everyone, can manage. I will obviously teach you all, but the main focus is the center. Now when it comes to the center, can everyone look at the center? Everyone has drawn a 5.5 centimeter circle and a line cutting through. That everyone has done?
Ma'am, I'm not done yet.
Okay. Okay, everyone's got the center 5.5 centimeters and this line. So then I'll just proceed. Okay, now the next step. Okay, and this is very easy. You all can see this line, right? Okay, my compass point will always be on this line. My pencil point will always be at this point. So I'm just marking this point.
Okay, so if this is your line and this is your circle, your pencil point will always be at this point. Okay, that's the trick to get a 3D effect. Okay, everyone understood where the pencil point should be? Wherever your compass point is, your pencil point should be over here. Okay, now everyone listen to me very carefully. Take 2 centimeters on your compass. Okay, so I am doing that. I'm taking a ruler and I'm taking 2 centimeters on my compass.
Can we write to privately? No, it will be sent to everyone.
Okay, so I've taken 2 centimeters on my compass. Okay, so after you've got your circle and you've got this line, you take 2 centimeters on your compass. What did I say? The pencil point will always be over here. So you all can see where the pencil point is supposed to be, and your compass will always be on this line. Okay, so my compass is on this line, my pencil point is over here, and you draw a circle. So your pencil point stays here, your compass point will go on changing throughout. Okay, everyone please understand this. Sorry. Okay, so this is our first circle. Everyone got this 2 centimeter circle? Yes, Shweta ma'am, the line is diagonal. It's a diagonal line. If someone's asking the subject, it was mentioned arts Filipino, so it's arts. Okay, now the same technique, okay, our pencil point will always stay over here. Our compass point, we will go on increasing slightly. Everyone can increase just like, by let's say 0.3 centimeters. Don't bother about measurements. What I would suggest, this is your one.
Pooja, you are mute.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Okay, now you go on increasing your compass point. What I have done is just increase my compass point slightly. Okay, just increase the width of your compass. Again, your pencil point over here, your compass point here, and draw a circle. Can you all see?
So we can take any measurements?
You can take any measurements. Do not worry. Just increase it slightly. Don't increase it too much because it shouldn't go too far.
0.5 is good?
Yes, 0.5 is fine. I'll tell you how much mine is in case that helps. Take 2.3.
Okay.
So everyone take 2.3 centimeters on your compass. Let your pencil point be your compass point wherever it comes on that line and draw a circle. Okay, similarly we have to do 6 circles inside. Okay, I'll go on telling you all my measurements because it will make it easier for you all. But honestly, that's the trick of getting a 3D. After 2.3, you take a 3 centimeter. Okay, this is what I've got. After 2.3, I took a 3 centimeter. We need 3 more lines inside. Okay, after 3, again I'm just increasing the measurement a bit. Okay, and I've taken 3.5 centimeters. Okay, again my pencil point is here, my compass point is here, and draw a circle.
Can you please repeat the measurements of this?
So I took 2, 2.3, 3, 3.5 approx. Yeah. Okay, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 2 more rounds inside.
Which are the next 2 measurement? I'll put in the chat.
Yeah, I just did.
Oh.
Just 1 minute. I'm telling all the measurements. Take 4 centimeters.
So 2, 2.3, 3, 3.5, 4, and last
4,
is
1.
4.5.
Yeah, 4.5. Yeah, 4.5 will work, but I'll just, yeah.
Just check once.
No, don't take 4.5.
No?
No. You all can take you all can take 4.7 or 4.8.
4.7 or 8?
Yeah.
7?
Any of the two will do. Take 4.7.
So it goes to 2.3, 3, 3.5, 4, and 4.7, correct?
Right.
Okay.
This is how you all
I
have all
sent
got it.
in the group, so it's easier for them.
Thank you so much, Gupta. Okay, once everyone's got these circles, now what do we do inside these circles? Is just listen. Has everyone got these circles, the inner circles? Now if you realize your entire grid if you place a camera this way, it will look like 3D. This part will already look like 3D. Okay, now everyone take any black thick pen that you have. The center circle, the 2 centimeter circle, you just have to color it black completely. This entire thing has to be black. Okay, so just border it obviously first and color it black. Everyone just do that because it will give a good effect. I know you all can do it later, but I would suggest you do it right now. Yeah, so the thicker the black pen you have, it's easier for you to just complete it. If you don't have a thick black pen, don't worry. You can do it with a thin one. That'll just take you more time. Okay, I'm just finishing the center and then I'll give it a border. This is for the black hole.
Ma'am, can I ask a question?
Yes, definitely.
Sorry for interrupting, ma'am. Can I ask a question? Ma'am,
yes,
it's a confusion. Ma'am, the line which you drew, is it the line, sleeping line or it's the diagonal line?
It's a diagonal line. So this is my sheet and this is the diagonal line. So this is a sheet vertically and this is the diagonal
sleeping line, huh?
No, it's a diagonal line. It's not horizontal or vertical, it's
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Welcome.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And after the border,
But honestly, it won't matter, right? From wherever, it's a circle. So from wherever you do any line.
Even why I did this, see, even if it was center, it was fine. If you go to see, even if it was over here, it was okay. So in that other thing which I had done with you all, it was in the center. It doesn't matter. It's just that it gives a good effect and that's why I made everyone do this diagonal line.
Ma'am, mine does not look 3D.
It will look once you're done with the center. Don't worry. Everyone, once you do the design, then it will look 3D. It's not going to look 3D till you don't do the design. Just wait.
Pooja, sorry, I got locked out. After the 3.5 circle, the inner one, what other two measurement after 3.5?
4 and 4.5. 4 and 4.7.
4.7.
4 and 4.7. Thank you.
Okay, I'm just giving it a border. The ones who can put their compass in their, the pen in their compass, you all can even do that and do this if you don't want to do it with the pen. Okay, once you're done with the center, the coloring of the center, now please understand what is to be done in the rest of the circles in the center. So this is how our center will be. Take any thin black pen that you have.
If you're using color pens, then we can change color now or later.
Then you change color. Then you go on changing color. Only your center should be black pen. If you're using
Any suggestion for green, light green paper?
Light green. You're using light green paper and you want to use colored pens?
Yes.
Acha, okay. Go for a pink. Pink goes well on light green. Go for a purple. Purple and light green go well together. Go for You can go for even white in the middle if it shows. It depends on how light your green is.
Very light.
Very light, then don't use a white. You can use dark purple if you have. Sorry, you can use dark green if you have.
Okay.
Then,
Ma'am, what's the
these
size
would be
of
the
the
main.
pen you are doing right now? You are doing this with right
The
now.
one which I am doing is 0.3. Okay, now
Pooja,
yes.
if I'm using color pens on white paper, I can use every circle different color.
Yes, you can. You can use every circle different color. The one which I had shown yesterday, you can follow that, like those colors, if you're using a white paper. Okay, everyone just see what I'm doing. Now the next layer, first give it a border. Okay, remember in mandalas you always give your, I mean, if you have to, then you first either give it a border or you do the design first. Both ways it's okay. Okay, now give this circular border. I'm doing the lines first. So I want lines inside. Now, if you see, I'm going on shifting the direction of my line. Did you all realize? The more I went this time, so I started with that slant line. I did one straight line, and now I'm going on changing the direction of my line. Okay, this way, and slowly I'll do the same thing this side.
Ma'am, when we drew the diagonal line, where we have to keep the pencil point?
The pencil point is over here.
Okay, okay.
Now we have to border it, na?
Yes, we have to border it. I just did the lines first. That's what I said. You can do the lines first and then border, or border first and then do the line.
No, first line, then border. That's better.
Yeah, that's better because then your border will not go wrong.
Ma'am, can I restart? It's not looking good.
What happened, Shania?
It's not looking 3D.
1 minute, let me see what you sent. Okay, Shania, I'll tell you the problem. Your circles, are not, you don't have to do semicircles. They have to be complete circles. So your pencil point always had to be over here. So that's the problem. You'll have to erase those lines. Except in the first circle, you will have to erase all other circles of the center. Understood, Shania?
Yes, and then do what kind of circle?
Yes. Just give me a minute.
Please one see mine.
Yes, I'll do that. Just give me a minute.
Ma'am, is it okay? Ma'am, have I done it correct or is there any problem?
Yeah, you showing me? Sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am.
showing me?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Shweta, ma'am. I can't see it.
Ma'am, is it okay?
I can't see your page.
Ma'am, your video is quite blurry.
Shweta ma'am's or mine? It's whose video is blurry?
I'm yours. I can see those lines. Actually, I wanted to see the slant. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, I'm continuing with the line. Did everyone understand how these lines are done? Okay, now the next, once you're done with the line, give it a border.
Ma'am, while doing these circles, right, where should the compass like be at?
So your compass will go on changing. Your pencil point will always be over here, Shania. So your pencil point will not change. Your compass measurement will go on changing and your compass point will change. So that's the trick.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, did everyone get this? Till here, is everyone clear now? Sangeeta ma'am, what happened? Can everyone see now? It's a black circle and you have these lines. Okay, the lines. Okay, 1 minute. I'll just explain it again. So basically, it's just simply on that slanting line, on the diagonal line, you start with the line and then you just go on doing lines inside. You see, I've just drawn lines inside. And you go on changing the direction of the lines as you come this side. So, you know, the moment you come this side, it becomes horizontal. Not that. Then which line, ma'am?
मैम मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये हो गया था शुरू से पूरा शुरू से ना ये कैसे बनाया ड्रॉ कैसे किया
अच्छा ड्रॉ कैसे किया ओके सो बेसिकली बीच में एक 5.5 सेंटीमीटर का सर्कल ड्रॉ किया उसके बाद ये डायगोनल लाइन कैसे भी बना सकते हो एक बार ये डायगोनल लाइन बना दी फिर उसके बाद पेंसिल पॉइंट यहीं पे रहेगा एक इस पॉइंट पे यहाँ पे ओके और का मेजरमेंट चेंज करती गई मैं और सर्कल्स बनाती गई अंदर वैसे बनाया ओके I will just try it out once. अगर नहीं आता है तो आप मुझे पूछ लीजिए वापस से मैं दिखा दूँ okay everyone now for the next layer okay just see what I'm doing because now if you all see my original okay after so here you have lines then you have this design then again lines this design again lines this design so I will show you this design then obviously the lines and this design you all can do it yourselves. Okay, your lines can be as close to each other as possible. If they are not, it's okay. Okay, now for this design, just look very carefully. So we have this layer, right? This part. See what I'm doing. I've done two parallel lines, slightly curved.
It's not seen, ma'am.
Pooja, we can't see it.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll do it.
I think keep it a little away. Don't bring it very close by.
Now?
Yeah, then it's fine.
Can everyone see? There are two parallel lines. Okay, once you do two parallel lines with a pencil, okay, not with a pen, just make a mountain. Can you all see I've made a mountain on top? With a pencil, make a mountain on top. Okay, once you do that, from the center of this, doing petals. Okay? And then, but follow the mountain. So this is my border. This is my boundary. Okay, so I just did petals.
Ma'am, please repeat this.
Yeah, I'm repeating it. So basically, you just do like this way. Like, let's say these are my two parallel lines. On top, you make a mountain.
Pooja, distance between these parallel lines should be more.
What?
I am not seeing a same distance between these three parallel lines. Once you have took a very much of distance, then
One minute. Everyone, that was because someone couldn't see this. That's the reason why I repeated this. Everyone, the distance does not have to be same because as you go on tapering it, the distance will go on reducing. Why can I hear myself say? Hello? Everyone just mute yourself. I'll explain this. Everyone mute yourself. Okay. Now, listen very carefully. I'll first do the lines and then I'll do the inner design. Okay, everyone see how the lines are.
you zoomed in too much. We can't see anything.
Okay, I've done lines this way.
Pooja, nothing is visible.
No one can see. I think Gmeet is. I'm also not used to Gmeet.
No, you are zooming in a lot.
Okay, 1 minute. I'm restarting it over here in this layer because again this layer is supposed to be lines. Everyone just look over here. Okay, do the same thing down. It's the same thing. I'm not changing it. Okay, start from the center. Okay.
Pooja, your camera focus is somewhere else.
No one can see. Is everyone
I can
facing?
see.
You're good. You're good, but then you're moving your camera back and forth. So that's
Too close.
Yeah, you're good. The focus is there.
Now is it fine?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so leave little distance and go on making these lines. And as you go this side, the lines will become horizontal. Okay, this is how my lines are. Now this way.
Pooja, the inside circles were 2, 2.3, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.7, right?
Yes.
Then why is it this that no, after the black circle, the first line thing, mine is very thin, and then it's bigger, then it's small, 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 and big.
Doesn't matter.
It won't matter, right?
It won't matter at all.
Okay.
Provided only your last one should be nice and quick. I mean, it should be like
Which
this.
last one?
Did everyone get these lines? Everyone's got these lines?
Yes.
Okay, now everyone
Yes.
take a pencil for each of these. Okay, take a pencil and on top do a mountain. Can you all see? I'm just doing curves like this.
Pooja, zoom out a bit.
The parallel lines in the middle should be done with the pen or the pencil only?
Pen. That can be with the pen. Actually, this is a guideline and that's why it's in pencil. Deepika, show me your circles.
What do you want?
Just show me your circles on the screen.
One second. Visible?
Yeah. Wait, no, it's perfect. We'll go fine.
It's proper?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, after you all do these mountains, you take a pen again. Okay, I'm purposely starting with the center one because it's broad. In this, you all will not be able to see what I'm doing. From the center, I've done one petal. Another one, third one this side. Okay, like this. From the center, you have petals. Again, from the center, we have petals.
Ma'am, we have to thicken our petals or else there will be more number of petals, right?
Yes, so it should be like this. See the thickness of my petals. Okay, so the center one will be, so ideally it's better to have 5 petals. But as you go on tapering over here, you will have 1 or 2 only. But in the center ones, you should have 5, roughly. Okay, I still have 5. Only over here, I will have 3, 2, and 1. Now, you'll see over here, I have 3. Then 1. Then again 3, sorry. Here, I still have 2. Here, I will have 1 petal only. Okay, and over here, as it is, we won't be able to see anything. I'm still doing 1 thin petal. Okay, then this side. So basically, you just go on doing these petals throughout. And you follow that mountain that you have drawn as the boundary. Okay, once you are done with all, with the black pen, obviously border this, the down part and the top part. Okay, and once you border it, no, the white space that you have apart from the petals, color it with black. So what I'm trying to say over here, this will be black. You all see what I'm coloring with black? So I'm leaving these 2 lines and the petals and I'm coloring everything else with black. clear, everyone? Okay, so basically you'll have a black hole, you'll have lines, again these petals, then again lines, petals, lines, petals. You will stop with the petals. You will stop this center part with the petals. It's the same design. If you all see, it's the same design throughout. And Deepika, if you realize, even this layer is very thin. Okay, so petals, lines, petals, lines, petals. Okay, that's what we have.
Yes, Pooja. Maybe because of the camera, na, it is looking very broad.
Yeah, okay. No, I'm talking about my original.
Okay.
Everyone clear with the technique?
How many lines of petals and how many lines of lines?
So these are lines, these are petals, then these are again lines. I'm writing it over here. These are again petals. Lines, petals. That's how it is. And you stop over here.
So last is
center 5.5. You should stop
the center.
Yeah, the center. Is everyone clear? Did everyone get this? Does anyone want me to repeat anything in this? You all can actually sit and do it at your own. I can hear myself. Okay, everyone mute yourself. Okay. Once these are done, once these layers are done, now everyone just understand what is to be done in the next few layers. Okay. Please listen to me very carefully. They're easy designs, but they are nice to do. Okay, the ones who have done mandalas before, you want to do grids, you can do grids. It's not necessary, honestly. I have not done it in my original. I have not drawn grids in my original one. There were no grids. Okay. Just see what I'm doing. In this layer, next layer will be very thin. Just doing petals like this. Okay. Either you can do like these or you can simply do like this, whatever you want to do, whatever you're more comfortable with. Like it can also be like this and curvy. Yes, Rupal. It should be like this. Everyone just mute yourself.
Ma'am, the distance between the petals.
Yeah, the distance between the petals. Yeah, ma'am, you were asking something?
Ma'am, the petals, this five petals you have drawn, no? So roughly the distance between each petal, like the distance between the two.
So basically, it would be these you're saying. It would be one petal in. Rather, it will be within 10 degrees. There will be two petals. So one petal in each of the 5 degrees. If you use a protractor, they're very small petals. Or you can do like 36 petals
Can you
throughout.
repeat? It's not, your voice is not clear.
I said you can do 36 petals throughout. So, in each of the 10 degrees, you can do one petal. So, if you have a protractor, in each of the 10 degrees, you can do one petal.
10 degree one petal, that means it will be broader, na Pooja?
It will be broader. Doesn't matter. That's the reason why I'm not using a protractor actually.
So which is better, broader one or 10 degree two petals or 10 degree one petal?
See, actually it should be 10 degree mein 3/4 of a petal. I mean, sorry, 1.5 of a petal. वैसा होना चाहिए. So I don't want very thick petals. I don't want very thin petals. So I don't even want कि 5 degree में एक करो. I don't even want कि 10 degree में एक करो. That's the reason why I'm suggesting not to use a protractor. So if you see, I have very small petals throughout. So I want very small petals. So it's not even 1 in 10 degree. It's not even 1 in 5 degree. वैसा है.
And there's no shape,
Ma'am, the
right?
design
It's
is
just
not
like mounted.
clear. Can you just?
I would suggest don't use a protractor. Honestly, when you have small petals, a protractor is not needed. So do not use a protractor. Everyone avoid using a protractor. Just go by your instinct. You will get the right size of petals. You know, when we do those round petals, if you all remember, we generally just go on doing it. You know, your hand gets so trained that you get the consistency.
But
So
right now you're doing what? It's like a mountain, or it's just, or is there's a design like?
I'm doing something inside. I'll tell you all the design inside. So
No,
I have done
the
mountain. Let's say, see, I've done mountain. If you want, you can do it this way also. It's up to you. So you can have a curve down and you can go like this, like a modak, or it can be something like this, like a mountain. Up to you. Both ways are fine. Okay. The only thing is that when you're doing these mountains, no, when you come over here, okay, be very careful. If you have a white pen, okay, I want you all to just in this part where you have this black portion, just in this much. Okay, after this, I don't want these petals touching. Okay, so I want a white line over here. Now, either you just take your compass and leave a white line, but because you're using a green sheet of paper, what I would suggest, take a white pen, Deepika, since you could definitely have a white pen, okay, and do a white line over here.
Just at the border?
Yes, just at the border. Do a white line. Everyone can do that. The ones who do not have a white pen, okay, I know many will not have a white pen.
You have done a line, or what have you done? Like you've circled it?
See, I've done a line. If you see, I've done a white line over here.
Inside the circle?
Yes, slightly inside, slightly outside. Okay, I'll show you what look that will give. Wait a second. So, if you can see this white line यहाँ पे?
Focus.
Can you see the white line?
करो, phone दिखाई देगा.
ये white line दिख रहा है यहाँ पे?
हाँ.
हाँ, so that is only to give that 3D effect कि नीचे कुछ जा रहा है. वरना ये दो merge हो जाएंगे. But that should be only over here. और यहाँ पे नहीं आना चाहिए वो white line. ये side. So that's why only at the border of that black hole that you all have. Okay, everyone just do a white line for the ones at the border. It's like you're giving it a border with a white pen. Okay, the ones who do not have a white pen, okay, take a compass, same 2 centimeters that you had, just 2.1 कर दो उसको, and ऐसा एक line बना दो. And don't do any design over there. Just leave a space. Leave a slight space over here.
But what if you're using a different color pen? I'm using all different color pen. I'm not even using black.
That's okay. So you do it with white. You just do a white line over here.
Okay.
To just distinguish between the two. Even if it's not merging, फिर भी करो.
मैं पहले पेंसिल से बना देती हूँ, बाद में करूँगी उसको.
हाँ, पेंसिल बना लो. Okay, everyone else, so you go on doing the petals. If you are not comfortable with what I just said, when you're doing the petals, no, just leave gap over there. So see, we are doing petals like this. Can you see, you automatically get consistency. See, I have not done any 10-degree line over here. Okay, now when I reach over here, I will be careful, okay? Go over here. Leave little space. Now again touch the line. So over here, I just left little space between the petals and my black hole.
चेतन, तेरी क्लास कितने बजे है? तो अभी क्या कर रहा है?
Okay, everyone clear? Now, honestly, the ones who are doing for the first time, even if you just do this center and this border, it will give you a nice 3D mandala effect. If you don't want to do more layers, you can even avoid it. That's okay.
Pooja, can you explain again that white line stuff?
Okay, so basically, if you see over here, at the border of this black hole, I've just done a white line over here. Okay, I've taken a white pen and I've just given a white line. That's it, just over here, from here to here. Curve. It has to be a curve line. Just go over this circle.
And if I'm using color pens, then also white line?
Yes, then also white line. Whatever color pen you're using, whatever you're using, give it a white line. It will just give you a distinguish, so it will give you that whole effect. Otherwise, it will not give you, it will just merge.
Okay.
Okay, now inside this, you just do give it a border and color it black. That's very easy.
Yes, I am here. Yeah, my audio and video have a problem. I'm on a different computer today.
You just give it a border and color it. Yeah. Deepika, this layer, if possible, do it with black only if you can. If not, then do it with a colored pen. Clear? Easy to clear.
I've already started with blue.
हाँ ठीक है चलेगा
ये लेयर की बात करें मैंने डार्क ब्लू से कर लिया चलो
हाँ चलेगा वैसे डार्क ब्लू और ब्लैक मर्ज होगा आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मर्ज अच्छा वो इट्स नॉट रेड और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट वो फिर बहुत डिफरेंट होगा
वो मेरे सारे रेड नीचे जा रहे हैं वो इनसाइड सर्कल पे जा रहे हैं आई एम यूजिंग ऑल कलर्स apart from orange
अच्छा लगेगा
yellow and orange I'm not using because फिर नहीं दिखेगा भाई
Okay, everyone clear with this layer? Should I just explain the next layer? Obviously, you all can sit and do this yourself later on and finish it. See over here also this white line. You can see.
What is the next thing?
Okay, now between these two, okay, I have just done a petal in the middle like this. Can everyone see the petal? So it's not from the corner of this to the corner of this. It's in the center.
Okay.
Okay, so just do these petals in the center. Just going over this because I've already done this before or taught this before.
So between these two, we don't have to draw the border, correct?
Yes. Between these two, there's no border. After this, there will be a border.
Okay.
Okay, now for the ones who were doing this for the first time, you all can actually stop at this layer. After this border, just stop. Don't do more layer. So do it till this border that we have. And then stop. So the last border that you have, just draw a circle over there and stop with your mandala. At which circles should the second petal touch? So obviously your first one would have touched your 6 centimeters, so this will touch your 6.5. So you are 5.5, then you are 6, then you are 6.5. So this will touch your, this petal will touch your 6.5. Okay, now inside this petal, give it a border, divide it in half and do a loop. just done a leaf inside. Can everyone see? So give it a border and a leaf.
I'm just coloring it. I do not have space.
Acha, okay.
I'm coloring one side.
Okay. Yeah, that'll look good.
Ma'am, can you zoom in a little in these two leaves? Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, and the center of these two leaves, no? You see what I'm doing is something different. Like this. And like this. You all see what I did? So you go parallel to this and spiral. Go parallel and spiral. So parallel to this and spiral, parallel and spiral.
If you do not have space, then one spiral is fine. Like one.
हाँ, then या तो one spiral कर लो या एक dot कर लो with some color. Do a circle and do a dot. It'll look good.
Until I'll just draw a spiral.
हाँ, do a spiral. It'll look good. Okay, everyone who is the first time, I'll stop with this layer. You will get a nice look irrespective. The main was getting the 3D in the center. So you would have got something like this only. This much. Y'all can continue, I don't have a problem, but it's just that if y'all are not comfortable, you can stop. Okay, now it's just designs. We will complete in 15 minutes.
We are drawing a border after this, right?
Yes, a border after. Has everyone got this 3D? Can everyone just show me the 3D on their screens? Whoever's got it. At least how much ever y'all have done.
Can you see it?
1 minute, I'm trying to log in to my laptop to see because I can't see everyone's screen over there.
Pooja, you are mute.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, but your voice is echoing.
Now is it fine?
Yes, ma'am, now it's fine.
Rupal ma'am, it's looking very nice. Riddhi ma'am, it's looking very nice. If anyone else wants to show, you all can.
Sure.
Nice, Ritika. I like the colors. Rashi is looking very nice. Okay, excellent. I think most of you have got the center. Hashtika ma'am, it's looking very nice.
Ma'am, Shweta here.
Shweta ma'am, it's looking very nice. I can see it. Yes, it's looking
Thank
very
you.
nice. Okay, I think I'll continue. Is everyone continuing? Is there anyone who wants to leave? Then you all can tell me. Okay.
Pooja, if you can help us with 1/4 of the circle, 1/4 of your picture as to how to do the other layers, that would be good. Because completing the full circle would definitely take an hour, and that conflicts other appointments. So
Yeah. I'm actually just doing 1/4 only for every design. Yeah, I'm doing that.
Ma'am,
Bhavita is looking very nice. Very pretty. Excellent. Okay. Okay, everyone else. Now, after this, in each of the layers, I have just gone on doing petals. Okay. So, obviously, in the next layer also, I have petals. Then, in the middle, I have not given it a border. If you realize over here, so after every 2 layers, after these 2 layers, I gave it a border. After these two, I gave it a border. Then, after 3 layers, I gave it a border. And the last layer, I have given a border. Okay, so I'll tell you all where all the border comes. Now, your border, obviously, this was 6 centimeter and this was 6.5. So, your border came at 6.5. Then at 7.7, you will have a border. Then at 9.7 and at 10.4.
Please repeat.
So at 7.7, now this was 6.5 where we gave the circular border. Okay, after 6.5, you have your 7.7 where there will be a border. And then you have your 9.7 where there will be a border. And the last one, which is your 10.4, where there will be a border. Okay, apart from that, we do the same petals inside. So, you do these petals and then from the point of one to the point of another, you do a petal. Then once you are closing a border, again you go on doing petals and point of one, point of another petal, point of one, point of another petal. So this is it's just petals to one. Okay, I'll give you all the design inside each petal so that you all just get different designs which you all can do. If anyone gets stuck anywhere, because I've been given limited time, that's why I am hurrying. If anyone gets stuck anywhere, you all can definitely message me or WhatsApp me or show me your design and I'll help you out. Okay, now inside this petal, the next layer, the layer I already showed you all. In the next layer, okay, just see what I'm doing. So I color this black. Can everyone see? I give it a border, another border, and you do lines over here. Now on top, I do a semicircle. I color this black. I give this 2 borders and I do lines inside this. Similarly, this side. And I do lines inside. This is what I'm doing inside this petal.
It's too blurred.
Okay. Should I move my camera further? I mean, if I do that, then everyone cannot see it. But
Let it get focused once. Yes, now it's visible. Okay.
So basically, I'm doing a semicircle on all 4 sides, on 3 sides, sorry. And parallel lines and lines inside. Similarly, on top, a semicircle, color it black, parallel lines, lines inside. And this side, a semicircle, parallel lines, lines inside. That's what we have done. Everyone clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, someone's asking me to repeat. I'll just repeat it. So we've done these petals. Again, I'm repeating the ones who are doing this for the first time. You can just stop at this layer. I'm only continuing to the ones who have done mandala before. You do lines inside. Is it fine? Garima ma'am, is it fine? Someone's asking at which circle the second petal should touch. You mean this one, ma'am? That one is touching at 6.5. This is touching at 6.5. This one is touching at 7. The one which we are doing right now is touching at 7 centimeters.
Sorry, Pooja, can you just repeat borders circle measure again?
Border circles are 7.7, 9.7 and 10.4.
And 6.5 also, right?
Yeah, that was the first one. So 6.5, 7.7, 9.7, 10.4.
Thank you.
Inner circle measurement.
Inner circle as in? And inner circle as in which circle?
This the black one with lines and all.
This one?
Inner one. The full black shadow.
This one? You know what
This one, yes.
This is
Yes.
5.5 centimeters. The entire thing is 5.5.
5.5.
Yeah. Should I move on to the next layer? Is everyone comfortable to hear? The ones who are actually joining for the first time, I think they can stop. So you can conclude that session. Only the ones who have done it before can continue. That's what I would suggest.
Hello.
Yes, Priyanshana.
Yes.
So I was saying the ones who have done mandala before can continue. The ones who are doing it for the first time, just stop at this layer. So if you want, you can conclude that session. I can just continue with the ones who have done it before.
Okay, so you are saying me that for vote of thanks for winding up the session.
Don't end the meeting because there are many people who have who will do the next few layers, so they can.
Okay.
Yeah, because I think you all had set till 6:30. That's why.
Okay. Okay, those who want to left the meeting and for them, all the participants will get the certificate and hello.
Yeah,
All the participants kindly mute your mic. Okay, we will issue the certificate to all the participants, and you will get your certificate within the 1 week. And thank you for joining the session. Okay, ma'am, you may continue.
Thank you so much. only the ones who want to do the next two layers can stay. The ones who are not comfortable and you all are happy with this much, you can leave. Okay. Now, the next layer, I'm simply giving it a thick border. Okay, it's thick. It's not a thin border. It's a thick border. Okay. And you do circles inside.
You are doing a thick border and then circle inside.
Yes. So, a thick border and circles inside. Like this. Okay, now in this layer, you have this line. The border on top. Okay, there are 70 people who are continuing. Excellent.
Nothing to draw inside the this.
No, leave it blank. It'll look nice. Okay, but this part. Okay, now obviously you have a border over here and you have this V over here. You do lines over here. So it's like this. And lines over here. Okay, is everyone clear?
Yes.
Okay, now obviously you have a border over here. Again, you have petals on top. Now for these petals, let's see what I'm doing. Inside, okay, do a very small, another one, and color this black. Okay, and on top, there's no border. On top, you do these round petals like this. And color the white area black. Okay, I'm repeating it. So, like this. Like this.
Ma'am, we'll have to make small mountains, right?
Yes. The petals are small mountains. And inside, this is the design. So just do 2 petals. Okay, so it's like this. Like modaks, but slightly you'll get flat ones. Like this. Okay. And inside, what I'm doing, a very small, again a modak. and then these round petals on the side. And color the white area. Yeah. Everyone clear with the design? Anyone wants me to repeat?
All good, Pooja.
I'll repeat it.
No. I got it. Thank you.
Oh. Okay, now everyone listen the layer after this is very easy. Okay, so you will have something like this. Everyone clear till here, right?
Yes.
Everyone else?
Yes.
Someone's saying, could I repeat? Okay, ma'am. Okay, so over here inside, you do a small, like a border, but a very small one. And then on top, you do these round petals inside the petal and color the remaining area black. Is it clear, Kavita ma'am? Okay. Okay, now the layer after this, okay, again you will have petals. Now it will be from the point of this to the point of this, you will have one petal. So over here, if I show it, it'll be like this. Okay, from point of this to the point of another one, you will have a petal. Okay, that's what I've done over here. You divide it in half, and I'm just doing leaves on both sides.
Ma'am, in the group, can you just share a snapshot of the design, a close-up of the design, just a part so that we can see it?
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
I've done that.
You did not draw a border, right? I did directly leaves.
No border. Just directly.
I messed up in 2 rows.
Only over here. Nowhere else. In these two. What happened?
नहीं बनाने चाहिए थे मुझे ग्रिड स्टार्टिंग से मेरे 2 जगह पे गड़बड़ हो गई अब मैं उसको थोड़ा ठीक करेगी बाद में बैठकर
इसलिए मैं सही ये वाले में एक्चुअली ग्रिड्स की जरूरत नहीं है
आदत है ना ग्रिड्स की इतने सारे मंडला करने की
इसलिए okay now the row after this I've simply left it white. If you see my original it's just white. Okay, after the leaf this row is white. I've not done any.
सबसे ज्यादा स्पेस उधर ही है
क्या हुआ
सबसे ज्यादा स्पेस उधर ही है
हाँ it's supposed to be there. See, only then will that look come. Otherwise the look will not come.
Okay,
so we're supposed to leave this space. Okay, so this next row, okay, it will be blank. Now the row after this, okay, this part, if everyone can see this part, what I've simply done, you go like this, 1 and 2. 2 lines this side. And from here, 1 and 2. Okay. So from top, I'm just doing 1, 2, 1, 2. It's very easy. Did everyone get it? So we did this leave. Then the next one we just leave it blank. And the row after this, you're just doing these borders. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2.
Pooja, I messed
Yes.
up with the topmost layer. I was going in the same petals way and you change it, right? You're not going to corner, right?
As in?
In 10.4.
In 10.4 corner. You can go corner to corner. Honestly, see over here, I have gone corner to corner.
What I did.
Ma'am, it's perfect. In fact, I want that.
Okay.
Just draw a
I
border
thought you
over there.
want the.
No.
I thought you
Just
want.
see what I have. See my original. I've gone corner to corner only.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, in fact, I have made a mistake over here. So. Okay, so what ma'am is saying, from this corner to this corner should be one petal. Ideally, you also do it that way only. But don't follow what I have done. Okay, now the last layer is very easy. Can I explain the last layer?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, over here I am giving this a border. Okay. Again down, I'm doing the same modak that I was doing. Okay, and color this black. And over here you do your line. Okay. So basically nothing but a border. This small modak down. I'm sorry, I don't know what else to call it. Okay, and then you have these lines. Okay. And this top part, okay, this top part, we don't leave it blank. Okay, turn your paper. So you again have a petal over here, right? Don't give it a border. From the center, I'm just doing those petals.
You can't see it.
Ma'am, देख नहीं रहा.
Now?
Yes.
Okay, so basically from the center, I'm just doing petals. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Like both sides. And just color the remaining part with black. The white.
You're not making border, right?
No, I'm not making border. That's the reason why I made a border in this one. So that both don't merge. Okay, so from the center, you just go upwards and you do these petals like this and on the left. And just color the white area.
Ma'am, you sent the close-up of the original one.
No, I've sent the close-up of what I was doing right now. You want of the original?
Yes, ma'am. Can you?
Yes, of course. Just 1 minute. I've sent it.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I believe the design is also over, right?
Yes, it's over.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now actually, honestly, when I taught this design earlier, I've taken 3 hours because I was teaching in 1.5 hours. I've just gone faster. I hope you all didn't have a problem. If anyone still does not get anything, you all can definitely ask me. Okay, you all are there on both the groups, whoever is on my original group or on that new group. So, also one more trick. I mean, this is what I have done. It's not necessary. Okay, can you see these pencil marks over here? Okay, so if anyone wants, take a pencil and just give your this part a border. Okay, take your finger or a tissue and just smudge it. Just this part.
That was pencil? I thought you did stippling.
Nah, it's pencil. See?
Ma'am, only the downwards or the whole border?
No, only the down part. Only the down part. Okay, so just take a pencil. Okay, if you have an HB pencil, nothing like it. Okay, so take your HB pencil and just shade it. Okay, just give it a thick border with a pencil. But it should not look like pencil lines. So with a tissue, you just smudge it.
Like we did in that square mandala?
Yes, right. Like you did in the square one. Okay, and this part, okay, whatever pencil, because when you smudge it with a tissue, there will be pencil which will go inside your mandala. Take an eraser and erase that. You can do stippling also, Deepika. Like, honestly, in this one, I have done stippling over here. Okay, so you can do stippling, but it's not necessary.
The stippling is too much. Pencil better.
हाँ, pencil better है.
Till where do you suggest that the shading should be done?
Just a very clear. I would suggest 0.2 जितना. See.
हाँ, but कहाँ तक जाना चाहिए pencil? I mean, circle पे.
So basically, under you're saying it should touch the circle.
No.
So the border of the circle.
Boundary is asking from where to where.
Yeah, from where to where.
अच्छा वैसे okay. From here to here. So basically, just your down part of the circle. So
like
approximately
1/4 or 3/4?
I would suggest half of your circle. So try and take from here till here. So 180 degree, pura 180 degree.
Okay.
Just leave the top 180. Now obviously over here you will have corners if you're using a A4 size paper. But if you're using A3, you will have place over here also, then do it over here as well. I did not have place over here. So you go from 180 to 180.
Okay.
Pooja, can you check mine once? Because I am using grid and like you were suggesting it's better not to use. Is it looking okay? Means should I continue with grids?
Yeah, continue with grids. So honestly, when I taught this at Madcap, I made them use grids, if you see. But when I did my original, I did not use grids.
Yeah, but right now you people are telling.
Yeah, because grids mein what happens, you just get restricted and then you have to go thicker or thinner when you're not using grids. And especially when you have very small petals, no ma'am, it's better to not use grids because then you can play around with it like you want to. But does not mean that using grids will lead to anything wrong. I mean, it will still look good only. You can show me.
But
and
right
as
now,
it is, there are 50 people still there. Can everyone just show me whatever you have done? Just give me a minute. I'll join from my laptop so I can see everyone's screen.
Yeah, just Pooja, 1 second. Just tell me, is it looking proper or like because of grids? I'm asking.
I'll just see. Ridhima, I can't see your screen.
Yeah, 1 second.
It's looking very nice. It's looking perfect.
With grids, it's fine, right?
Yes. 100%. Just give me a minute.
So Pooja, are we done? Pooja, you're mute.
Yeah, whoever has done, can you please share it on the screen? Everyone just show it on the screen, whoever has done. Priti ma'am and Rashi, it's looking very nice.
Thank
Chetan
you,
ma'am,
ma'am.
Thank you, Pooja.
Wow, it's looking very nice. Excellent. I think, yeah, I've seen everyone's. Anyone has any doubts or anything, you can just message me. I'll help you out.
Thank you, Pooja. Bye. Thank you.
I'm sorry, I know it went slightly faster. It's just that the design was too much to cover. Welcome. Bye, all of you.